Hello! Today we are cooking rabbit with wild mushrooms in a creamy sauce. Let's prepare the rabbit. I cut off the hind legs and carefully twist the bones to free them. Then I separate the front legs from the body. After that, I trim one side of the belly, then the other. I make a cut behind the last rib of the rabbit and run the knife to the backbone. I do the same on the last rib on the other side. Then I break it with my hands until it cracks and finish cutting with a knife. I take the back part of the rabbit and cut it into 3 equal pieces. I take the rib section of the rabbit and cut it into 3 equal parts, running a knife between the ribs. I do this carefully so that the ribs do not crack or break. To remove the specific smell of rabbit meat, it is recommended to soak it in cold water with vinegar or lemon juice. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar or juice from half a lemon per 1 liter of water. Submerge the rabbit pieces completely in the solution and leave for 2 to 4 hours, changing the water every hour. This method effectively removes odor and makes the meat softer. Take the rabbit out of the water and pat each piece dry with a paper towel to remove excess moisture. Sprinkle the rabbit pieces with black pepper and salt, then lightly coat them in flour to ensure an even layer. Take aromatic herbs and tie them tightly with kitchen twine. In a preheated cast iron skillet, add clarified butter, place chopped onion and sauté until translucent. Next, transfer the sautéed onion to a bowl and blend it with an immersion blender until it becomes a paste. In a cast iron pot, add clarified butter and sear the rabbit on both sides until golden brown. In the same cast iron pot, add more butter and melt it. Then add flour, stir and cook until golden. Pour in cream, add nutmeg, a spoonful of mustard salt and onion paste. Mix everything together and let it cook briefly before adding the remaining cream. Stir thoroughly until smooth. Place the pre-seared rabbit into the sauce. Add a bundle of aromatic herbs and some water to ensure that the meat is fully covered. Place in a preheated oven. The temperature and cooking time will be listed in the description below this video. While the rabbit is stewing, let's prepare the mushrooms. If using frozen mushrooms, you can thaw them beforehand. If not thawing, they can be cooked directly from frozen. Boil honey mushrooms in salted water for 10 to 15 minutes beforehand. Then sauté them in butter or vegetable oil until golden brown. Sautéing is optional. 25 to 30 minutes before cooking is complete, remove the pot from the oven. Stir in the prepared mushrooms into the creamy sauce, evenly distributing them around the rabbit pieces. Return the pot to the oven for another 25 to 30 minutes at the same temperature setting. The meat is ready when it easily separates from the bone, becoming tender and juicy. Enjoy your meal. Have a great day.